Good morning to Anita. Today we're going to see a topic called data acquisition system, which means that where the number of data will be converted into the numeric or the signal waves to transfer from one place to the other. The objectives of the today's topic is introduction and then the objectives of DIS, block diagram, and explanations and methodology, hardware and the software requirement for the DIS, merits and demerits, and the conclusions. Introduction, where the data acquisition is the process of sampling a signal that measures real world physical conditions and converting the resulting samples into the digital numeric value. It means that where the number of data will be converted into the digital numeric values and it will be manipulated in the system. We call it as data acronymic DIS, typically convert analog waveforms into the digital values for easy processing. What is data acquisition? Data acquisition is a processing where measuring the electrical or the physical phenomena such as voltage, temperature, or the pressure, or sound, or whatever the flow rate of the computer, which are all called data acquisition. The components of the data acquisition required is the sensor, which converts that all physical parameters into the electrical signals, and then circuit for conditioning the sensor signals into the digital values, and analog to digital converters. The objectives of the data acquisition must acquire the necessary data at correct speed and correct time. It means that the data will be acquired at a minimum and at the required speed and the time. It must monitor the complete plant operations to maintain online and safe operations. It must be able to collect, summarize, and store data for diagnosis of operations and record purpose. It will be flexible and capable of being expanded future requirements. And they must be able to compute unit performance indicates using online real-time applications. Block diagram, where this is an DAS block diagram, where here we call it a physical system, and then the transducer sensor, the signal conditioning, and then audio analog digital converter, and the computer, where the physical variable, which will includes the temperature, pressure, and then the flow rate, and all the physical items will be utilized in this one, where it will be converted into a signal with the help of the transducer sensor, and it will be helpful to convert as an electrical signal or the noise, which will be sent to the signal conditioning, which is uh, purpose used for the signifying or the modifying the signal with the filtration, and then it will be converted to the analog digital converter. It will convert the signal processing waves into the numeric digital numeric data to transfer to the computer system, where it will be the 8-bit resolutions or samples, the digitalized signal, which all converted digitized signal will be transferred to the computer, where it will be converted as the binary data. Physical system, where physical system conditions the temperature, pressure, light, displacement level, electrical signal, uh, all these things are as a physical systems we are using it. Transducer sensor. Transducer converts the temperature, pressure level, length, position, etc. into the voltage, current, frequency, pulses, and other signals. The transducer thus converts the physical conditions in electrical waveform for the signal processing. Where what is transducer, which converts the physical phenomenon into a measurable electrical signal. Variety of transducer sensors are available: temperature, light, sound, force, pressure, displacement, fluid flow. For the purpose of these transducers are given right side, where thermocouples, thermosistors, light, vacuum tube, photosensors, etc. Signal conditioning, which circuits signal conditioning help to improve the quality of the signals. That is for the purpose of we are using the signal conditioning, which comes from the uh, transducer sensor. After that, the signal conditions will noise level signals will be filtered and produces an amplified signal through the conditioning. Amplifications where it removes the noise, all other activities, and it will be shaped. filtering it to reject unwanted noise with certain frequency range, everything, etc. Isolation. Analog digital converter which converts the mm, all the data which are occurred will be as a converted to a binary data. These are all some block diagram analog signal which amplifies and will convert it to the analog digital converter, and the digital code will be sent to the computer system. Thank you.